Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
Oh, it's on. You knew we would be here on Monday. This is the new Dex and Frank. We're here even when you don't want us to be here, which is never. I mean, always, I don't know. Anyway, very excited to be here, everybody. Happy Monday to you. We're bringing some PulseWave energy into your life. And I'm doing it the best way I know how to get you pulse waving into your week. And that's with my main man, Dex, the Algo Capitalist, and he's here with me. How you doing, buddy?
What up, what up, what up? It's Monday.
We're getting ready to kill it. We're gonna be riding these pulse waves this week. I feel it. It's one of those crazy weeks. Oh, wait, hold on. I removed you from the stream while I was trying to move buttons.
Uh-oh.
So whatever cool thing you said, you'll get another chance to say it. Good morning, Sean. Got Sean with us. Nice to see him. So, Dex, how was your weekend, my man? We're going to jump into some charts. This is chart day, but first, we're going to check in with the Algo Capitalist himself. How was your weekend, and what's on your mind this Monday morning?
The weekend was nice as it always is. I never have complaints because that's the time I can chill and relax with the wife and kids, and it's always awesome. This weekend, though, did not go by like a blur like they normally do. This one seemed to be really, really nice, and I really feel like I got a full weekend's worth, of relaxation in there.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, man. What about you? What did you do?
Actually, you know what? I did do something this weekend. I'm usually very boring. I had a cool weekend. My wife decided that she was going to become a master jewelry maker in like a week and a half.
Okay.
And she signed up for her first show, and she worked for several months to get there. So we did her first. It was like a fair kind of thing, like not a fair, like we call them fairs. We have street fairs where I live in my town. Mm-hmm. Where everybody sets up booths and there's bands and stuff like that. This was in like a little barn. It was really cool. And but she did it, and she sold a bunch of jewelry, and everybody was really into her stuff. So it was awesome. I was so proud of her. She did a great job.
It sounds awesome. You should be, man. That's wonderful.
Yeah, and it was kind of out of left field. She just decided to do this a few months ago as a hobby, and then all of a sudden she's like, I signed up for this thing. And she did fantastic. So it was a whole lot of fun, and my girls were helping out. So
way to go.
Completely somehow. I don't know, but everybody else was there all day.
Congrats, man. It's great when you take up new hobbies and you find something that really interests you and you get into it. That's what's up.
Yeah, I was so proud of her. So plus there was a rice ball truck there.
Ooh.
Like you're free to write, like a really good crispy Italian rice ball. You could put anything on it. It's amazing.
Oh yeah, rice balls. Rice is what's up, man. That's a superfood. That's a staple of everything. Rice.
Epic. And then I'm going to talk about the food, and the show is going to go on for all the food I ate at this stupid thing. But Dex, we're jumping into charts right now, my man. Of course, our audience understands that we are living in a manipulated economy, in a manipulated world filled with brainwashing, filled with manipulation, and because of that, they have fallen head over heels in love with real money instead of all this fiat nonsense. And so they want to hear about gold, silver, and Bitcoin. So we're going to look at those three. Also, guys, we're taking requests. If you've got a chart that you want to look at, something a little bit more special, give it to us in the comments. We'll pick one for this show. And then in just a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes, we're going to go into our Discord with our subscribers. There is a link to the free area of our Discord in the description. And because we're being very gracious as people learn how to get into the private areas of Discord, we tend to be still a little bit more in the public area. You won't be able to get the replays and stuff like that, but it's still a good time to get into the free spot. In other words, jump in. You just might be able to hear today's private content for a little while. So check that out. Link in the description. But more important, friends, you got to go to pulsewavetrading.com and sign up for our new PulseWavers Paradise membership. It's $11 a month. It's absolutely fantastic. You actually do get 2 reports, XRP and the Euro Dollar, and access to our education library. But these 3, 4, or 5 times a week, we are in our PulseWavers Paradise Discord. And this gives you access to the premium areas in there. So sign up for that, follow the instructions on our site, and you'll have access to our Discord. We're also doing our Christmas sale. Get Pro for $99. Thousands of reports delivered to you in your dashboard, pulsewavetrading.com. Foreign equities, all of the equities you love, all the cryptos you love, just tons and tons of stuff. The advanced reports, which are loaded, all of that, just $99. It's insane in the membrane. You need it. Okay, Dex, here's gold. I'm going to let you talk now.
Well, coming into this week on our daily algo charts, you probably noticed that gold is in a bear market on the daily chart, and we have locked in downtrend momentum. All right, we come into the week that way. We start the week off like that. So far, right now, gold is up $4.80. We're at $17.89.50, and this chart that you have up now is reflecting that. Still a lot of overhead resistance at that 1800 psychological barrier, and every time gold gets over it, even for a minute, it has a problem staying above it. So I think the market's going to try to test that, but as of right now, as we speak, our current intraday support levels right now seem to be holding for the moment. All right, so those that have the PulseWave report, you know where those intraday price inflection points are. But right now, the market is still under a lot of heavy selling pressure, and it has not turned the tide yet, despite today being a little green on the screen.
Moving on to silver.
Silver starts the week off also, excuse me, in a bear market on the algo charts. And we have a rally alert buy signal on the silver coming into today. So you got that signal last night. And so far, the market is positively pulse-waving. It's pulse-waving positive by a few pennies. And it's trying to leave that low point behind. We have put in a short-term low, and the market's trying to recover from that now. But unlike gold, you don't have a washout indicator going on. You're not still locked into that bear market downtrend channel. You're not locked in it. The market is literally trying to bounce back and recover a little bit. But just like with gold, silver has a problem too. It has a problem with $23. For some odd reason, silver has struggled to stay above $23 an ounce. And every time it gets there, it gets spooked and it backs off. And today, the market is still in that bear market. So I think today's, little bit of a green on the screen in silver could possibly also be in jeopardy, just like gold. And we could very well see the sellers enter the market, and we could have a big turnaround Tuesday.
All right. Last one, and then we're going into the Discord. This is our this guy that we used to love, old friend of ours. No, I'm kidding. I still love him at 47,000. Bitcoin.
Well, Bitcoin is also in a locked-in downtrend with extreme selling pressure still in play, as you can see on the screen. It's not able to maintain that 50 to 55,000 resistance consolidation zone. It's well below it, and it's looking like the market is not only locked into the bear market downtrend, but it's also locked in with the selling pressure. It's locked in. I don't know when and if it will come off a lock, but stay tuned, folks. I warned you about this happening. I warned you about this weeks ago, and already the futures are down $1,540 or points as we speak. Not looking really nice and pretty for Bitcoin. Remember, I showed you the chart with the GBTC, and I told you we had downside gaps that needed to be filled. And so the market is desperately trying to do that. It's trying to do it. Believe it or not, we had a rally alert buy signal for today, but GBTC doesn't seem to be able to get any type of upside production whatsoever. So, yeah, we expect more downside to come.
All right, sounds good. We're going to head into our Discord. Again, there's a link to our Discord. It's totally free to join and come in and hang out with us there. And we do a lot of live hangouts there, so it's worth your time. That link is in the description on YouTube. Head over to pulsewavetrading.com. Pricing page is where you want to be. And click on there, and you'll be able to get into PulseWaver's Paradise, $11 a month. Absolutely awesome way to get access to these PulseWaves. So we'll see you folks there. Don't forget our Pro Christmas sale and our partner membership, which is always awesome and always extremely low priced. All right, we love you folks. Hold on, I got to unmute Dex so he can piece us out of here, because we don't end the show until we have Dex's peace.
Peace. See everybody in Discord.
See you guys there.